Ever wasted weeks or months chasing a seller who won't commit? You send texts, you follow up, you get ghosted, or worse, they say yes, then vanish. Land flipping looks simple, but staying profitable means moving fast and being direct. Here's how to win more deals. Land serious offers without chasing unmotivated sellers, generate more leads using smarter tools, build investor relationships that close in minutes, get more contracts signed with fewer objections. Let's break it down. Tip 1. Call the seller out. Most investors waste time with maybe. Let me talk to my siblings. I'm thinking about it. You're afraid to lose the deal, so you keep chasing. Jay didn't. He cold called a seller for 2 years. She was 78. Always said her neighbor might buy it. Then he changed tactics. He told her, "You're fired." She panicked, said, "What do you mean?" Deal done, $27K profit. The mistake? Acting like a therapist, not a buyer. Instead, pull away. Most sellers want to be chased. Don't. Tell them what you need to move forward. Use bold lines. I'm not a therapist, I'm an investor. Can we work together or are we done? If they're serious, they'll stay. If not, move on. Your time is worth more than their maybe. Tip 2. Build a strong local buyers list. Cold calling gets deals, but you need buyers lined up. Jay sold his deal in 20 minutes. How? He had builders already waiting in North Carolina. Here's how he found them. Go to the National Association of Home Builders website. Search local chapters for your market. Extract the builder email list from their member directory. He followed a simple pitch. I find off-market lots and pass on savings to builders. Interested? Repeat buyers become your fastest closings. Another trick? Drive neighborhoods, see new homes going up, pull over, talk to the contractors, ask who's buying lots. Jay once walked 4 houses down, pointed at a tree lot, said, "That's mine. Want it?" The GC bought it on the spot. If you're not networking with local builders, you're leaving money on the table. Tip 3. Stop forcing lowball offers. Create value by subdividing sellers. Think their land is worth too much. You lowball, they ignore you. Try this instead. Pay closer to market value, then force appreciation. Michael found a lot that could be split into 4 parcels. One similar lot sold for $14K. He offered the seller $10K, subdivided, and created $40K in value. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Use Land Portal to find wide parcels on paved roads. Step 2. Filter by age of ownership, 15+ years, higher motivation. Step 3. Check comps using Land Portal's quick AI report feature. Then call and make an offer that works for them and you. If you pay closer to market, sellers listen. The trick is in the value you create after the deal, not squeezing the seller on price. Subdividing is underused in land flipping. 1 deal yields 4. Same seller, same efforts, more profits, less resistance. Master this, and you'll outpace most investors in your market. Stay sharp. Here's what wins more land deals. Be assertive with sellers. Pull away fast if they're not serious. Build a local buyer pipeline. Focus on builders who close quickly. Focus less on low offers. Focus more on how you can create margin through added value, like subdividing. Land flipping is hard, but it's not complicated. Move with confidence, talk with purpose, and never wait for sellers to get back to you.